the cathode material is what's storing the lithium in the battery and storing the energy, basically. And this material that stores lithium takes a lot of energy to make, takes a lot of water to make, it produces waste. For this reason, it has one of the biggest impacts on the environment, especially CO2 footprint of the lithium-ion battery. So we wanted to see if there were more environmentally friendly and sustainable and less expensive ways to make these materials so that the battery would have lower environmental impact and lower cost and more people can use them. So we went about to see if can you get the same kind of quality material if you use an all dry process, if you take just dry materials, combine them together using simple processes that you'd find in a large scale factory and heat them up and get the same thing. You know what you're putting in and you know what you're getting out. But an important thing that the c.l.s helped us identify was what happens in between.